Do a real intro?
Like what? We don't have an intro.
Well, just a temporary one. What did you do? Is that gonna be the intro?
No, because I can't do that every time. I'm gonna pull a hammy.
Hey God! Oh my God!
Okay, now I'm ready. I'm ready. I had an itch. I had an itch.
You see me?
No. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Welcome back to our channel.
We did a poll on Instagram
To decide what we were gonna do today.
Whoa, we're finishing each other's sandwiches. Gotta do the beauty guru hand.
Y'all voted for the handcuff challenge.
So that's what we shall do.
Ready?
I guess.
You're gonna have to be towards me because I'm driving.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, this is not gonna be fun.
It's fine. Ow! Ryan!
I have to drive.
Let's practice. Do a turn.
Let's go get lunch.
Off to Chick-fil-A. Please don't hurt my arm off when you do this turn.
Ow.
I'm trying to hold your hand. So we're at our first destination, which is Chick-fil-A. Literally look at this line, you guys.
What is that white car doing?
It starts all the way down there, goes through there, and loops around to the drive-thru. Literally, why is the South like this?
We can't even park and go in.
Oh, I'm scared.
Hey, Ryan?
Ryan,
Yes.
what can we get you?
Can we get 2 8-count meals?
Sure can. I'm gonna pull up to that next car with you.
Okay.
What's the drink on
You want Coke?
Yeah.
2 Cokes.
that? Okay, any dipping sauces today?
Can we get honey mustard and
Ketchup.
Ketchup?
You can. 2 8-count nugget meals, 2 medium fries, 2 medium cokes, honey mustard and ketchup.
Yes. And then we have a gift card. Yes.
Okay, we'll take it out the window.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
You didn't even notice. Can you get the 2 8-count meals with Coke?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Receipt for you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah, have a great day. Chain together.
That was like smoother than I thought, but still it was kind of difficult.
That's true. I mean, you didn't use this hand at all.
Now we have to eat with handcuffs. Okay, guys,
We're at
we made
Target.
it to Target. Far away.
We've seen people get kicked out of Target for filming. So we're gonna film on the phone for this part. Because we're scared.
We don't want to get kicked out.
Yeah. So
Because we're trying to get some stuff.
So switch to phone cam in 3, 2, 1. Ready? I gotta go as you go.
Don't sit on the
I'm not going to. Okay.
Nice.
That was pretty smooth, honestly.
Alright.
Okay. We did it. Just a casual day at the office.
How you gonna do it?
Hey, we're good. So we already got laughed at. First laugh of the day.
First laugh.
First laugh.
Multiple stares, but we don't
Probably
know what
not the
it's
last. Yeah, people are staring, but we don't know if it's because we're holding hands or because we're handcuffed.
So we can't find anything we need.
No.
So it's time to go. Okay, guys, we did it.
We went into Target.
We got stared at a lot. You'll see, well, you won't see because we didn't film people. But we couldn't tell if it was because we were holding hands or because of the handcuffs.
But we did get a laugh from a younger girl. Because she was cackling.
And there was a sweet old man who we accidentally were in his way and he was like, how you doing?
I got that on video.
Yeah, you'll see that. That was
It was not
I was
terrible.
chill. She was nervous, you can tell.
I was kind of freaking out a little bit, but it's okay.
We did film us getting into the car, but it wasn't filming. So you don't get to see that. But the lady in front of us witnessed it and stared at us the whole time.
Yeah. What is our next stop?
The
You can't just throw my hand around like that. Next up, groceries.
The corner market.
The corner market.
Okay. See you there.
Okay. We're at the corner market.
Wait, I am. Pause. Pause. Okay.
Okay.
We made it to the corner market. Can't really see it, but that's fine. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
There are people talking in the street. So Joce doesn't want to climb over yet.
You can really see them. Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this.
I'm scared.
Hey, give me your hand. Oh, I'm recording with the wrong hand.
Okay. Oh, my shorts are
Like a clown car.
Hopefully people just think my door
made
doesn't
it.
work or something.
Yeah, that's it.
Now
To the lettuce.
These are not. This is the Okay. This is so difficult.
Not as hard as I thought it was. I know. It's gonna be hard taking inside.
Now you're gonna go take the cart back, right?
Yeah.
We're at Starbucks.
Time to get our drinks.
Yeah.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hey, I have a pickup for Jones.
What's the name?
Jones?
Jones?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Drive around.
We're gonna stop filming after this, watch some Netflix, just chill, and then we'll be back for dinner.
Yeah.
What?
You said we're gonna watch some Netflix, just chill.
Oh. He said, how's our video going? It's pretty good.
Actually, it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be.
Kind of tired of it.
Yeah, it's just really sweaty. It makes you really hot.
And it makes your wrist hurt.
Yeah. But taking groceries inside was surprisingly
Yeah, we just
easier.
got it with all. We just got them all at one time.
Thank you.
Hold that. Thank you. She was handing
Yum.
this to us fast.
I don't remember what this is called, but I'll put it on the video in words.
Double chocolatey chip. I
Frappuccino.
don't know. Read it. Does not say.
What says Gur 2 Chick Chip Kermer Fruber?
I think those are
So
pretty.
grande 2 chocolate chip car. I don't know. How is it?
I like it.
Ryan,
like a
Joan,
milkshake.
tell me all your secrets.
No.
Okay.
You're a really good news person.
What'd you say?
Get out of here.
And we will see you at dinner. Oh shoot. So now it's dinner time. We're gonna make BLT pasta. She likes BLTs and I like pasta. Ow. Oh, I forgot to get the cups. Come. Ow.
Okay.
Paper towel.
Okay.
You can't walk slow. You won't walk fast.
No, you made me hit the table.
I didn't make you do nothing.
Hello and welcome to our cooking show. I almost said baking.
Wait, I forgot how long it said. 45, I think. We're cooking the bacon.
And now we have to sit here and watch the time because it doesn't have a start button. Oh,
Bacon's done.
look at that focus.
Look at that. This is gonna be really complicated.
I know.
Come!
Oh, I thought you could reach.
No. Now.
Did you clean the lettuce?
Did I what?
Clean the lettuce.
Of course I didn't. Okay, it's 1/2 cup of mayonnaise.
Whoa, I wasn't ready. All that bit of footage is not good.
Yeah, why?
Because you pulled me away and I wasn't ready.
It's fine. That's why I said put it on a tripod.
Yeah, and we did that and they could only see this.
Are you complaining about that?
Man, we're so good at cooking.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut the bacon now.
Is that what
So
you're
I'm
supposed
gonna
to
need
do?
you to let me reach the bacon.
Can you not reach the bacon?
No. almost cut my finger off.
You gonna wash that lettuce?
Do I have to?
I would vote yes.
Then, of course, yes, of course I Yes.
I'm helping.
Oh, I'm dropping it. Might add a little bit more.
How much did it say to add?
A cup.
Was that a cup?
I don't know, I have small hands.
Here is our recipe.
If you're wondering. Probably not 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Probably not mild
Whoa.
cheddar cheese, but you know, that's what Walmart gave us, so that's what we're working with.
Mild cheddar cheese.
That's literally what I just said, but thank you for repeating.
Hello.
Hey, Francisco.
Is that his name?
Yeah.
Do you cut? How? What are you doing?
I'm trying to reach the towel.
Knife.
Now we're cutting tomatoes.
With the dullest knife.
1.5 cups worth of tomatoes.
Look at
Ew,
that.
no, do not do that. Do not wiggle your thumb on the knife. Absolutely not.
You think that's good?
I think so.
Oh, you're just filming.
The handcuffs.
I didn't know what you
Yo, put that knife down. Oops, there's already a spoon in it.
Dun 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 dun. And it's done. This is hard. You can tell because Jocie is a mess. It's time.
It's time.
We're over this.
We're gonna
time
eat
to
dinner,
eat.
watch Riverdale, and be free for the first time today. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Feels so much better.
Don't even have a key.
I'm running away from you. Thank you guys for watching.
We don't have an outro.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.